Moving with the times. The Senate on Friday approved amendments to the standing orders to allow members to attend sittings of the upper house virtually. It's nothing new to parliamentarians, as some parliamentary committees have been meeting online since the COVID pandemic. However, while not seeking to have the Senate move fully online, on Friday, Government Senator Charles Sinclair moved to have members allowed to attend from remote locations.
Mr. President, this provision should prove useful in that members who for one reason, and when I say reason, good and accepted reason, or another, cannot physically attend in the chamber, will still be able to participate in a meeting of the Senate using ICT. Today, the crisis is COVID-19. Tomorrow, it may be some other pandemic or crisis, circumstance, or unexpected emergency.
So to make that contribution as close to those who are here in person as effective as those, or as close to being as effective as those who are here in person, I think it would be useful if we had some sort of screen that we would have them up on, so that you would see the person. In fact, you'd have not just a audio, but you'd have an audio-visual representation of the member.
The resolution that we're supporting says all the benefit. So does that mean we'll go from somebody connecting online? To Aline, not Sinclair, Aline is in Mobile and she logs on to a meeting. Does that allow her to claim travel? Because that seems to be all of the benefit. I'm not opposed to the motion, I'm just saying we just need to look through some of what was said.
On the issue of benefits, you can't claim traveling if you didn't travel. So, but the other benefits that you are entitled to is something that you would continue to get.
The motion was therefore approved.